Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of technology. Today, we're diving into the realm of advanced robotics and showcasing the most cutting-edge, jaw-dropping robots that are taking the world by storm. Get ready to meet the most advanced and killer robots in the world. Prepare to have your mind blown as we introduce you to the first mind-boggling creation. Meet Atlas, the humanoid robot developed by Boston Dynamics. This incredible machine can walk, run, and even perform acrobatic feats with unrivaled agility. With its advanced sensors and dexterity, Atlas is pushing the boundaries of what robots can achieve. But it's not just about physical prowess. These robots are powered by next-level AI integration. Take Sophia, for example. Developed by Hanson Robotics, Sophia is a humanoid robot capable of holding conversations, displaying emotions, and even recognizing faces. With her artificial intelligence, she's blurring the line between human and machine. Brace yourselves for an army of mini-robots that work together as a synchronized force. Meet the swarm robots from Harvard's Wyss Institute. These tiny creatures move in perfect harmony, showcasing the power of collective intelligence. With their coordinated actions, they can accomplish tasks that would be impossible for a single robot. The red planet is no longer out of reach thanks to our next robot. Introducing the Mars rover, the pinnacle of robotic exploration. These rovers, designed by NASA, have revolutionized our understanding of Mars. Equipped with high-tech cameras, drills, and instruments, they traverse the Martian landscape, collecting vital data and paving the way for future human exploration. Prepare to be amazed by the future of surgical precision. The Da Vinci surgical system, developed by Intuitive Surgical, is revolutionizing the field of medicine. With its robotic arms and advanced imaging technology, surgeons can perform complex procedures with enhanced precision and minimal invasiveness. It's a true game-changer in the operating room. In times of disaster, these robots are the unsung heroes. Take Spot, the quadruped robot developed by Boston Dynamics. Equipped with cameras and sensors, Spot can navigate treacherous terrain, deliver supplies, and even perform reconnaissance missions in dangerous environments. It's a game-changer for disaster response and recovery efforts. The future of manufacturing has arrived, and it's called collaborative robots, or cobots. These robots work alongside humans, enhancing efficiency and safety in industrial settings. With their advanced sensors and programming, cobots can handle intricate tasks and heavy lifting, freeing up human workers to focus on higher-level activities. Finally, we have the revolution of aerial robotics. Drones have become an integral part of our lives, from capturing breathtaking aerial footage to delivering packages. These agile and versatile flying machines are reshaping industries such as photography, logistics, and even agriculture. The sky is no longer the limit. These mind-blowing robots are just a glimpse into the awe-inspiring world of advanced robotics. They are pushing boundaries, transforming industries, and redefining what's possible. We can't wait to see what the future holds as technology continues to evolve. That wraps up our showcase of the most advanced and killer robots in the world. Which robot impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing tech content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, embrace the future.